Special greetings, my dear students. Already in previous class, we seen fifth chapter working with an operating system, and I explained how your mark is going to be divided for your examination. Okay, so students, in fifth chapter, working with an operating system, we seen few things: easy to access, multitasking, search media, pin on taskbar, aerobic, live task preview, jump list. This all things already you learned in a primary classes. Okay, because of this reason only, maximum this year only seminars will be there. Means we have each student have to come and they have to take a class, and whatever doubts students they are having, that particular students they have to explain the doubt, and for that everything mark is there, depend on that only 60 mark will be tallied to you. Okay, so this all things already you learned in a primary class. Due to that reason only you are having seminar plus 60 marks. Okay, now starting Windows basic things. Okay, starting Windows basic things. So this is a desktop, taskbar, start button, after icons. Okay, this all are the basic things. Now see in desktop. Okay, see student, this all are the default folders. Okay, this all are the default folders: document, picture, music, games, computer, control panel. So when you are pressing start button, this all are the default, and this is a Windows 2007. And students, please keep it in mind, Microsoft company stopped Windows 7 operating system. Now you are using Windows 7, but Microsoft they announced officially whatever problems or whatever features they are going to update, they will not update for Windows 2007. If you are facing any problem or anything, sorry, Windows 7. Okay, if you are facing any problem or any error, Microsoft company is not responsible. Okay, they totally stopped Windows 7 and a feature. Okay, now they are not supporting to Windows 7, but here they are given Windows 7. Okay, actually students, if you see all operating system, there is a one common thing: start button will be left bottom here. Okay, upcoming versions also same category. Only this thing we have to see, and here you can able to see document, picture, music, games, computer, control panel, device. Actually this is all the default folder. Document, default documents will be there. See, I opened my computer, you can able to see downloads, document, picture, recycle bin. This all are default folder. Okay, if I am downloading any file, if it is a document type, it will store in document folder. If I am downloading any picture, or if I am taking any picture through the laptop, default folder picture. If I am downloading any music file, default file is a music. In case if I want to go for any hardware settings or any settings in a computer, I can go to the computer, control panel, device, default program, and if you are facing any problem, help and support. Actually this all things are basic things. Okay, basic things already you know. Now shut down your computer. How you will shut down computer? Start. Okay, and here you can able to see the shutdown button in Windows 7. Okay, if you are coming to the Windows 10, start. Here shutdown, when you click, it is up showing sleep, shutdown, restart. If I click shutdown, system will be shut down. Okay, and icons. See, a small graphical displayed on the desktop are called icon. See, this is the icons. This all are the icons. Small graphical symbol displayed on the desktop are called icons. Okay, so in icons also there are many types. See, application icon, this is the application icon. Okay, this is a application icon. Next one, shortcut icon. See, now This is a shortcut. How I'm telling this is a shortcut? See here, there is one arrow, and this also shortcut arrow. This also shortcut icon, but this is not a shortcut because there is no any arrow. Okay. If I want shortcut icon for this, just right click. No. Now I want one shortcut icon for the uh, this document in desktop. Now what I am doing, just right click. Now see here, send to desktop. I selected document now. Now see. Can you able to see document shortcut? So these are the shortcut. Okay. Now document icon. This is a document. Okay, and this is a document icon. After system icon means this is a system icon, recycle bin, because there is no any shortcut, and this is a system application. So this all things only how we will set a icon for a particular files folders. Just I should not just right click. Okay. Now see, this is a disk drive. Okay, and see here local disk scene. So this is a disk drive. C D E F G H. Okay. Now we can go to the chapter. Used for load operating system C drive. Actually, students, now I am giving you one homework to you. No need to do, just search the information. Why in all computers? Any computer when you're opening, always it is starting from C drive, C D E F. Why A drive, B drive is not there? Okay, why A drive and B drive is not there in our computer? This is your homework, you have to find. Mostly C drive we are installing operating system, and it is not compulsory we should install operating system in C drive. Okay, if you want to install operating system in a D drive, you can install. If you want to install operating system in a E drive, of course you can install. There is no any restriction in that. Okay, and whenever we are inserting PD, it will show removable disk according to the G or things it will show, and share documents. See here, this is a network location. This is a sharing place of my documents. Okay, so this is a CD and DVD. Here, if I double click, my CD will open. So students, these are the basic things, not that much they given. So they explain with the figure. Recycle bin, what files we are deleting, it will store in where? Recycle bin. Taskbar. In taskbar, what buttons are there? Start, quick launch, show desktop button. So activating. So this all things they given. Okay. Windows element. Okay. See the figure, students. So this is the address bar. Minimize, maximize, close, search, frame. In all computer it is common. See, address bar, minimize, maximize, close, search, frame. If I want to search, see here is a 44. If I want to search 44, one enter. Now what will happen? This 44, wherever any file name related that, it will search all the document and it will give to us. Okay, so only these things, common things which you learned in your primary classes. Okay, title bar, minimize, maximize what? It will maximize a files folder. Minimized. If I want to maximize, just click it, it is now maximized. Okay, actually students, this is all full and full practical. If I want to close, here cross symbol is enough. Just do you want to save? If I want to save, I can save. Okay, and it is saved and it is closed. Address bar, menu bar, scroll bar, status bar. Students, these all are things just a practical session, okay, and simple things almost you know well. And Windows application window, document window, Windows Explorer. Kindly see the topics. File. Okay, student, this is a very funny place. File. How you are going to rename a file? How you are going to delete a file? Okay, this all the things are going to see. Folder. What is a folder? Folder is a container used to store a file, correct? And file system. How you are going to delete? See folder 1, folder 2, subfolder, viewing files and folder. Okay, after creating a file, very funny thing. Creating file, how you will create? Just start which file you want to create. MS Office. If you want to create a one Microsoft Office OneNote, you can select one. Here they given Word, we can select Word also. And creating a new folder. Okay, students, we can complete now. Okay, now creating new folder. Just right click, new folder. So this is a ninth new folder created. Subfolder means inside of another folder. If I am creating ninth folder, I am opening. Instead of this ninth, again I am creating one new folder. Okay, so this is a subfolder. Means one folder inside. If we are creating another folder, that is called what? Subfolder. Now creating new document. How we will create new document? Right click, new. So text document. It is your wish. Ninth class. So this is a creating a new document. How we will rename a files and folder? Just single click, right click, rename. Okay, now you can able to see file name is renamed. If you want to rename a folder, yes, of course you can give. Now it is renamed. Okay, students. After this, viewing files and folder. Open any folder or file. Okay, there is no any restriction. Now, if you see bottom, right bottom, you can able to see. When I am clicking each time, it is showing different types. Actually, in Windows 10, they are providing only two. But when we are going to the Windows 7, they are providing so many options. Okay, they are providing so many types of view. You can able to see. See, extra large icon means these are the options they are provided in Windows 7, but in Windows 8 only two they are providing. Especially updated version, only two type of view they are giving. But if you are going to the Windows 7, extra large icon, medium icon, small icon, list icon. Actually, these all things you studied in the 7th class. Details, styles, contents. Creating file over, creating a new folder over, renaming file folder over, moving and copying from one drive to another. Okay, I will explain how this. Searching also over. Okay. Now students here in desktop. Now ninth rename is there. Now I want to move this folder from here to document. Just right click, cut. Now right click, paste. Now in desktop there is no rename, ninth rename, correct? If I want to move this ninth folder also, there is another way. Just click, okay, and drag. I drag to picture. Now it is moved over. So this is a moving files and folder. If you want to copy, just right click, copy, and go to the location where you want to paste. Right click, paste. If you want to use the shortcut, you can use that also. See, ninth class. Okay. So now this is over. Now searching. Student, searching, there are so many options are there. Now I've saved one file, but I don't know the file name. It is a Word document. So what is a Word document extension? Dot docx. Now it will show all the documents in my computer. In my computer only one document is there, form. If I am searching PDF, it will show all the PDF files which are stored in my computer. Sorry, this is in a document, so it is showing from only the document. So go to my PC now, dot docx, enter. Now it will search entire system, and wherever whatever documents in my computer, it will show all the only the document. Because why? Dot docx. After dot, what extension you are keeping, that particular extension file computer will search and it will give. See, it is loading. It will show only the files of the docx extension. It is loading. It will take time because it will show all the document. If it's stored in any place, it will show. Okay, I want to see PDF file. See all the only the document file, all document files. If I'm searching PDF and enter, see it will show all the PDF files which are stored in my computer. So these are the way of searching files and folder. Okay, after this our portion is over. Only one thing, you have to do practical at least once. Whatever school is going to be open very soon, only few days. This month itself most probably school will open. When it will open, I will explain, I will show in front of you in a computer lab. That time you will understand very easily. Okay. Thank you students. Thanks for watching. Thank you.